Today we will be learning about area. Some vocabulary we will be using is area, a quantity that expresses the extent of a two-dimensional shape or surface. Squared, the result of multiplying a number or other expressions by itself. In other words, squaring is the exponent to the power of 2. What is the total area that would be planted with grass? First, you draw a line across of where it looks like a triangle and a rectangle squishing together. Then you draw a line down the center of the triangle for your height. To find the area of the rectangle, you use the formula area equals base times height. So, the base is 15 feet. And the height is 6 feet. 5 times 6 is 90 feet. Now we will find the area of the triangle. To find the area of the triangle, you use area equals base times height times 1/2 or divide by 2. We are going to be multiplying by 1/2. So the base is 15 feet still. The height is 18 feet. And then divide by 2. So 15 times 18 is 270. To get 270, you must use order of operations. Multiply and then divide. 270 divided by 2 is 135 feet. Now we will add 90 feet and 235 feet since they are both parts of the yard and we need the full area of the yard. 90 plus 135 is 225 feet squared. The way we got 18, in case you were wondering, is we subtracted 6 feet from 24 feet. 6 minus 24 is 18. Because the triangle and rectangular are not one shape. Another example is Mr. Herman has a backyard that is fenced. He keeps his dog attached to a stake in the middle of the yard with a 3-meter long cable. If the backyard is 7 meters by 12 meters, how much of the yard is the dog not using? So, first you must find the area of the circle. And to do that, you must use pi times radius squared. So pi is 3.14 continuing. For these purposes, we will be using 3.14. And then the radius is 3 meters squared, since it is only half of that diameter. To get the diameter, you unsquare the radius and multiply it by itself since it is 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. So 3.14 times 9 is 28.26 meters. Next, we will find the area of the yard, which is 12 times 7. 12 times 7 is 84 meters. Now, to find the amount of the area the dog is not using, we will subtract 84.00 minus 28.26. So, in order to do this with the decimals, you must borrow from the 4 and the 8. The 8 will become 7. The 4 will become 13. 13. The 10 will become a 9 because we need to borrow for the last number. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 2 is 7. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So the dog is not using 55.47 meters of the yard. Here's a practice question. Teachers, please pause the video at this time. If you got 9, 4 times 9 is 36. 6 times 2 is 12. 36 plus 12 is 48. Then you have the right answer. 48 meters needs to be resurfaced for the parking lot. You did a great job. Credits to Miss Caton, Mr. Woodson, and Miss Estes.